Hi friends, welcome back to the channel SciTech here. In this one, I'm going to do the benchmark test comparison between the Realme GT Neo 5 versus Oneplus 11R device by using the RAM expansion between these both phones. So after using the RAM expansion between these both phones, the total RAM will be about 24 GB between these two devices. I'll try to show you exactly what is the models I'm trying to use in this video. So first model is the Realme GT Neo 5, which has got the 16 GB of RAM by default in this device and 12 GB in the OnePlus 11R device. So both phones do have the RAM expansion. So for example, in the Realme GT Neo 5, there's RAM expansion available of up to 16 plus 8 GB. So total RAM availability will become 24 GB at this moment. And whereas in the OnePlus 11R device, so the default RAM is about 12 GB. So total RAM will become 12 plus 12 GB. As you can see friends right now. So total 24 GB and 24 GB between these both phones, and now I'm going to restart the device and then let's do the test. So now let's try to restart both phones. Now the both phones are successfully restarted. Now we'll try to do the benchmark test comparison between these both phones, and while doing the test I'll be using with the high performance mode in the OnePlus 11R device. The main reason is because in the OnePlus 11R the performance will be slightly different with and without using high performance mode. So that's the reason right now I want to see maximum utilization of the RAM and highest settings as possible to see the results between these both phones. And meanwhile we'll try to concentrate about the temperatures. So what will be the overall temperatures between these two devices as well while performing this test. So let's get started with the benchmark test. Right now, as you can see friends, after 68% of the benchmark test, in the Realme phone it's about 36 degrees Celsius, in the OnePlus 11R it's about 36.2 degrees Celsius. So same temperature is maintained between these both phones, so which is not bad. And the back side you can see 35 degrees Celsius and the back side also 34 degrees Celsius. And again I'll be back after some time. So finally friends, we got the overall benchmark test results comparison side by side. Now you can see clearly the difference. So the Realme GT Neo 5 and the OnePlus 11R both are scored exactly similar kind of scores. So using the 24 GB of RAM between these both phones, and you can see the temperatures at the end of the test. And overall benchmark scores, the Realme GT Neo 5 is slightly higher than the OnePlus 11R, just little bit. That's not a huge difference, but you can see the overall CPU and the GPU scores difference, which one has got what type of score results. And this is overall comparison guys regarding the benchmark test results between these both devices. And in case if you have any other questions, let me know in the comment section below. So definitely I did see a little bit kind of increase regarding the benchmark scores between these both phones. So let me show you the previous benchmark scores what I got before. So before it reached up to 10 lakhs 87,000, now 88,000, just little bit increased. So that's not a huge, but just little bit increase I did see in this Realme G in the OnePlus 11R device. In the Realme GT Neo 5, these are the benchmarks before, and now it increased little bit, as you can see. So meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching, and I'll stay for more updates, and bye.